Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this quick video, I will show you how to download and install the Binance app. First, let's start with iPhone. Open the App Store on your device and make sure you are connected to stable internet. Now tap the search tab at the bottom, type in Binance and hit search. Tap the download or cloud icon to begin installing the app. This might take a few seconds depending on your internet connection. Once the download is complete, tap open to launch Binance. Now you are ready to sign in or create an account. For Android users, it's almost the same but on the Google Play Store. Search for Binance and once you see the official app, tap install. After installation, tap open to launch the app and get started with your Binance account. And that's how you download the Binance app on both iPhone and Android. Binance is the world's largest crypto exchange where you can buy, trade and sell hundreds of cryptocurrencies. If this video helped, hit like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this.